Alright people, you know the drill. It's time to pack. But hold up, are you throwing in the kitchen sink again? We've all been there, drowning in a sea of what-ifs and unnecessary cargo. Not this time. We're talking 15 must-have items for any adventure. Stick with me and you'll be a packing ninja with just a carry-on. First up, we're talking about staying powered up in a world of different plugs. Ever been stuck in a foreign country, phone about to die? Enter the Universal Travel Adapter, your new best friend. This little guy is a lifesaver, letting you plug in anywhere. No more hunting down adapters at overpriced airport kiosks. Trust me, this is a non-negotiable. Okay, you've got the adapter, but let's talk about those long travel days, those epic adventures where outlets are a myth. Don't get caught with a dead battery just when that Instagram-worthy shot presents itself. That's where the power bank swoops in to save the day. Remember, a charged phone is a happy phone, and a happy phone means you're free to capture every memory, find your way around, and stay connected. Alright, let's address the elephant in the room, or rather the explosion in your suitcase. Packing cubes, my friends, are the organizational heroes you never knew you needed. Think of them as little drawers for your suitcase, keeping everything neat, tidy, and easily accessible. It's like packing wizardry. Trust me, your future self will thank you when you're unpacking on the other side. Travel documents folder. Your paper trail to freedom. Passports, visas, tickets, confirmations. Traveling comes with a whole lot of paper. Don't be that person holding up the security line, frantically digging through their backpack for a boarding pass they swore they printed. A designated travel documents folder is your key to a smooth and stress-free airport experience. Keep everything organized, easily accessible, and in one safe spot. Passport? Check. Itinerary? Check. Reusable water bottle. Stay hydrated, save the planet. Staying hydrated on the go is crucial, but nobody wants to be that person shelling out $5 for a bottle of water at the airport. Enter the reusable water bottle, your eco-friendly, budget-friendly travel companion. Opt for a collapsible or insulated one to save space and keep your drinks cold or hot, depending on your needs. Drink up. Mini first aid kit. Be prepared, not paranoid. Look, I'm not saying you're going to get bitten by a venomous spider on a remote mountain trail, but it's always better to be safe than sorry, right? A mini first aid kit is like a safety net for your adventures. Just the essentials. Band-aids for blisters, pain relievers for those unexpected headaches, maybe some motion sickness pills if you're prone to getting queasy on winding roads. Let's be real, nobody needs a full-size bottle of shampoo for a week-long trip. Those bulky bottles take up precious luggage space and risk exploding all over your clothes. Travel-sized toiletries are your new best friends. They're compact, TSA approved, and let's be honest, kind of adorable. You'll save space, avoid messy leaks, and maybe even discover some new eco-friendly favorites along the way. Airplanes? They're a magical mode of transportation, whisking you away to exotic destinations. But let's talk about the temperature situation. 1 minute you're sweating, the next you're shivering in your sandals. That's where a trusty scarf or a light blanket comes in. It's like having your own personal climate control system, practical and chic. Now that's what I call a travel essential. Let's face it, traveling can be a noisy affair. Crying babies on planes, chatty taxi drivers, the relentless hum of traffic. Sometimes you just need a break from the auditory chaos. Noise-canceling headphones or a good pair of earplugs are like a portable sanctuary for your ears. Trust me, the ability to tune out the world around you is priceless. Daypack or foldable backpack, your adventure sidekick. When you're exploring a new city or hitting the trails, the last thing you want is to be lugging around your entire suitcase. That's where a trusty daypack or a foldable backpack comes in handy. Choose one that's lightweight, packable, and big enough to carry your essentials. Water bottle, camera, snacks, that all-important map. Talk about a win-win. Flip-flops or travel sandals. Free your feet, embrace the journey. Whether you're hitting the beach, exploring ancient ruins, or just want to give your feet a break from those stylish but oh-so-unforgiving shoes, a pair of flip-flops or travel sandals are a must. Choose a pair that's lightweight, comfortable, and quick-drying. You never know when you might encounter a surprise rainstorm or a spontaneous fountain frolicking session. Trust me on this one. Portable luggage scale. Outsmarting the baggage fees. That heart-stopping moment at check-in when the dreaded words baggage fee are uttered. Fear no more, because the portable luggage scale is here to save the day. Weigh your bags before you leave home, ensuring you stay within airline weight limits. Just peace of mind and a smug sense of satisfaction. In a perfect world, we'd all travel with just our wits and a smile. But losing your passport or phone can turn your trip into a nightmare. Make copies of your passport, visa, and driver's license. Keep them separate from the originals. Trust me, having a backup plan will save you a world of trouble. Sleeping on planes, trains, and automobiles is an art form. Crying babies, flickering lights, uncomfortable seats, it's a challenge. But with an eye mask and travel pillow, you can achieve blissful slumber. The eye mask blocks out light, while the travel pillow supports your neck. Sweet dreams! Packing strategically is all about minimizing bulk, while maximizing comfort and familiarity. That's why it's essential to pack a couple of personal comfort items, those little things that make you feel at home no matter where you are in the world. Maybe it's your favorite lip balm, a small notebook and pen for jotting down inspiration, or a familiar snack that brings back fond memories. These small but mighty items can make all the difference when you're feeling homesick or overwhelmed. There you have it, my friends. 15 must-have items that'll transform you from a packing novice to a bona fide travel pro. Remember, packing smart is all about prioritizing essentials, maximizing space, and being prepared for anything. With this arsenal of travel goodies, you'll be ready to conquer any adventure, whether it's a weekend getaway or a round-the-world expedition. Now get out there, explore the world, and don't forget to share your adventures with me in the comments below. Safe travels, and as always, stay curious.